Okay, we're back and we have example 3 here. There are a couple of exercises in the book before this, and if you want to go try those exercises to help you understand, go ahead. Pause the video or turn off the video and go do the exercises and come back. If not, let's go on. So a new miniature golf and arcade opened up. So an arcade is those places where you play video games and you put money in the video game machines. Might be a little before your time. They were around when I was a kid. For convenient ordering, a play package is available to purchase. It includes two rounds of golf and 20 arcade tokens plus $3 off. Make sure you keep that in mind. Off the regular price. There is a group of 6 friends purchasing the package. 6 friends. Always find your numbers in these problems. Find your numbers. Purchase this. So the group of 6 friends purchase this package. Let G, which is an unknown number, so that's still a number, represent the cost of a round of golf. Let T represent the cost of a token. Write 2 different expressions that represent the total number this group can represent. Explain how each expression describes the situation. If you want to pause the video and try this yourself, go ahead. Otherwise, let's go on. What 2 equivalent expressions could be used to represent the situation? 6, because we have 6 friends, so 6 friends bought the whole package. So 6 times 2G, so 2 rounds of golf, plus 20T, so 20 tokens, minus 3, because it's $3 off the price for these. Okay? Each person will pay for 2 rounds of golf. So it's each person will pay for 2 rounds of golf, 20 tokens, and they will be discounted $3. Remember, a discount means minus. It means take off price. This expression is 6 times the quantity of each friend. 12G, so 12 rounds of golf. Every person plays 2 rounds. 2 times 6 is 12. So 12G plus 120T. So if each person, all 6 people, got 20 tokens each, that would add up to 120. 20 times 6 is 120. Minus 18. Why 18? Just giving you a minute to think about it. Okay. It's 18 because each person gets $3 off. So minus 3, 6 times. So 6 times minus 3 is minus 18. You could just do 6 times 3 and get 18 and keep your minus sign if you want to, if that's easier. The total cost is equal to 12 games of golf plus 120 tokens minus $18 off the entire bill. Okay, let's move on to example 3. What does it mean? Sorry, example 4. My bad. What does it mean to take the opposite of a number? You can determine the additive inverse, or the opposite, of a number, or multiplicative inverse. That is a hard word. Multiplicative inverse. Try that a couple times. It's a tough word, but it's the multiplying opposite. What is the opposite of 2? Minus 2. What is the opposite of minus 1 times 2? Minus 2. Because it's still 2 is still times 1, so that would equal 2, but you have a minus and a plus, so that equals minus 2. Don't let that trick you. What is minus 1 times a number? It's any number to the negative because of your negative sign. What are two mathematical expressions that represent the opposite of 2a plus 3b. 1 minus, so 1 to the negative times 2a plus 3b, or minus 2a plus 3b. Either one will work. Use the distributive property to write minus 1 times 2a plus 3b as an equivalent expression. Minus 2a minus 3b, or minus 2a plus minus 3b. And remember your parentheses on that. To go from minus 2a minus 3b to minus 2a plus 3b, what process occurs? The terms 2a and 3b are written, the terms minus 2a and minus 3b are written as minus 1 to the negative times 2a, and then 1 to the negative times 3b. And the minus 1 is factored out of the sum, meaning we drop it. And then it just becomes this. Okay, let's move on. The exercises you are going to do yourself. Let's look at example 5. Okay, rewrite 5a minus a minus 3b in standard form. Justify each step, applying the rules for subtracting and distributive property. 5a plus minus a plus minus 3b. This is subtraction as adding the inverse. So you are adding the opposite of 3b. It's minus 3b. Okay? I'm going to make that circle a little better so you can see it. 5a plus minus 1 times a plus minus 3b. The opposite of a number is the same as multiplying by minus 1. So we are multiplying by minus 1. If you do the opposite of a number, you can do this. It's the same. Really, you're just adding that multiplication there to justify this answer. Okay, distributive property, 5a plus minus 1 times a plus minus 1 times b. All you have done is separated out your factors. So you've put a plus sign between them and separated them out. Multiplying by minus 1 is the same as the opposite of the number. 5a plus minus a equals, 5a plus minus a plus 3b. So remember this plus minus here? Right. So that minus, it gives us the same ultimate answer. We've just changed where it is. Multiplying by minus 1 is the same as the opposite of the number. So we're just reversing what we did up here. Okay. Collecting like terms. Our like terms are going to become 4a because we have 5a plus minus a, so we lose an a. So 4a, so that minus a is going to go like that. Plus 3b, because we don't have any other b's. Okay. So I'm going to close out here, you guys. In writing products as sums, what is happening when you take the opposite of a term or factor? The term or factor is multiplied by minus 1, which is what we just showed you. When using distributive property, every term inside the parentheses is multiplied by minus 1. So that's already assumed. Describe the process you use to write the expression in the form of sum of terms as an equivalent expression in the form of products of a product of factors. Writing sums as products is the opposite of writing products as sums. So instead of distributing and multiplying, the product is being factored. So it's reverse multiplication. Okay, you guys, the problem set for this is due on Monday as well. So you have 2 problem sets that are due for me by Monday. Good luck.